Ready to ditch that boring static background and bring your Windows 11 desktop to life? First, head over to the Microsoft Store, which you'll usually find pinned to your taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the window, click on it and type Lively Wallpaper. You'll see Lively Wallpaper pop up as the top result. Go ahead and click on that to go to its dedicated page. Now, click the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing onto your system. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, launch Lively Wallpaper. You'll be greeted with a selection of pre-installed animated wallpapers. Browse through the options, previewing each one by clicking on it. When you find one you like, simply click on it, and boom, your desktop transforms into a dynamic animation. Want to customize further? Lively Wallpaper offers a range of settings. You can adjust playback speed, audio settings, and even set rules for when the wallpaper should pause. You can even add your own video files or online streams as wallpapers. Just drag and drop the file into the Lively Wallpaper window, or paste the URL. And there you have it, a personalized and engaging desktop experience with animated wallpapers in Windows 11, making your computer truly unique. Enjoy.